my name is Brendan. I grew up in Canberra. My family's originally from South Africa, but I've been in Canberra pretty much my whole life, except for when I went to University of Wollongong to go study mechanical engineering, which gave me the skills and the things I needed to come work here at Icon. I'm a big DIY person, really enjoy making and fixing things. It's what drew me to engineering in the first place.
So my name is Prasenjit Debroy and I moved to Australia in 2014. First moved to Darwin, spent 2.5 years there, and then I moved to Canberra and I studied a Bachelor of Civil Engineering through Deakin University, and that's how I landed this program.
Desire to make things, throughout high school I was just tinkering with things, trying to make my own different toys and games and the like, and just really enjoyed learning how things worked and the practical mechanics behind something. So I thought that'd be a good area of study.
So my first experience with engineering was in high school. We went to our wastewater treatment plant when I was in high school, and my experience there, people, just the necessity of how important water is in today's world. That's one of the things, the first things I can remember is what drove me towards studying engineering.
I've been very lucky during my studies to have done some research experience to do with finite element analysis or simulation of physical pipe models, understanding like fracture stress and all of that, and some other internships with other Australian Pipeline Association, doing capacity modelling for gas pipelines. So being able to use that previous experience of sort of similar related industry modelling practices, being able to leverage that into something practical, something that they can actually hopefully implement here at Icon Water.
The fact that the things that Icon Water does for the Greater Canberra region is amazing, and then they have one of the highest standards in terms of treatment of the wastewater. That's one of the things that excited me or pushed me towards applying for the job with Icon Water. Yeah.
I mean, when I first looked for something to study, I went for mechanical engineering because at the time I thought that was more tangibly interesting than civil. But then afterwards I realised that actually I'm engaging with all of these civil constructions every day. Building a house and understanding how everything goes into that. But the roads I drive on and all the maintenance that goes around all of these built systems. There's things that you interact with are interesting.
So the thing that interests me most about the water industry is the challenges that we're facing in recent times, especially with the drought and climate change. And last year was pretty good in terms of rainfall, but just in recent history with climate change and the lack of rainfall, and just those challenges and being able to overcome to provide a long-lasting practical solution for the people of the Greater Canberra region is what interests me most about the water industry. Yeah.